I'm gonna show you how to assemble IKEA Stockholm TV bench. This is the one here with the three open spaces with the doors and 3 shelves. Let's do it. And you're getting 2 boxes with this IKEA Stockholm TV bench. Useful tools, bigger and smaller electric screwdriver with a hammer. Knee pads, if you're working on a hard floors, you're gonna save your knees. Useful thing. I'm gonna open both boxes just quickly, just for you to see how much stuff you're getting. One bag with the screws. Few more bags inside. Let's open this one. I like to organize the screws and everything what we have, so I have a better idea during assembly what I'm working with. We're gonna start with the top panel. One side is colored, other side is plain, just with the holes. 4 line of holes and 1 long gap at the back where the back panel gonna go. Position everything as I'm gonna do it here. You're gonna have easier time during the video just to follow what I'm doing. Gonna have those panels. One is thinner, one is thicker, similar size. We're gonna work with the thicker one first, so the slimmer one gonna go on the side, and we're gonna get 2 of these thicker ones. So this is the second one. Position them exactly the same as I have it here. This is gonna be the side panels. Line at the back, gonna line up with the line at the back of the top panel. So this one gonna go here into those 3 opening, but I'm gonna show you this way. I'm gonna turn this around so you have a better view from this side. So there is these gaps lining up, and we're gonna come in. The holes, they have bigger opening on the top, smaller opening on the bottom. We always gonna start with the bigger openings. That's where all 3 plugs gonna go. Slide it in into the bigger opening on the hole. Once you're completely in, just slide it down. That's all connection here. Just push it all the way down, and you're in the right position when your lines at the bottom lining up and your top lining up nicely as well. We're gonna do exactly the same on the other side. Prepare the side panel. The lines are lining up at the bottom, and the plastic plugs coming in the bigger opening on the hole. Once we're in all 3 of them, just push it down till the gaps at the bottom gonna line up, and on the top you're gonna line up here nicely as well. Now this is those 2 slimmer panels. That's gonna be the middle dividing panels, and they coming in this way, exactly the same, coming in the bigger opening. This one gonna go just till the beginning of the gap here at the bottom. As this is dividing panels on the top, they're lining up nicely. Exactly the same for the second one. So this L shape is on the top on all 4 of them. Place it in and push it down just till the beginning of the gap here at the bottom, and line up at the front. You can easily unplug it if you need, if you made a mistake. So just push it from the back, lift it up, and then put it back again and slide it down. So it's not difficult to open it if you did something wrong. Now we can put it down. We're gonna have the back panel, one side colored, one side plain. So the plain side is on the outer side, the colored side is on the inner side. Push it all the way down through those gaps till you all the way in the top panel, all along, nicely in. Now we're gonna turn it around so you can see it better. We're gonna have 3 doors, and that plastic on the doors is gonna be closer to the frame of the unit. You're gonna have those kind of Z-shape brackets. On the top you have this small bump. At the bottom is plain or smooth. So the smooth part gonna come in to the hole in that plastic on the door. So this is gonna be part of the hinge, kind of. Just slide it in and put it down. Don't push it all the way in yet this way. You're gonna do that later on. So for now, leave it unlocked this way. Exactly the same second one. The smooth part coming into the hole. Just slide it in and leave it down. Exactly the same for all of them. Put it down and leave it there. Don't push it out. Just leave it this way. So all of them the same. You see the bump on those Z brackets on the top on each of them. Don't put them the other way around. Third door exactly the same. Another 4 here coming in. You push them out. They come out from the hole. You're not going to be able to put the door. The mechanism I'm going to explain now. lift it up and you have those gaps on the side panels, so that's where they're gonna go. Once you push it in, and we lock in place by pushing them this way down. It's gonna click. On the other side exactly the same. Once you're in a gap, push it in and lock it by twisting it to the left in this case. Slide the door in that plastic rail and the second bracket coming in and lock it towards the right side. Exactly the same here. Once you're in the gap, push it in and lock it by pushing it to this side. That's how they look when they're locked in place, and exactly the same on the other side. Now we can slide them in, and we're gonna do exactly the same with the other doors. That's how we're gonna open them up later on. Now we have the unit upside down, that's why they're opening up this way. So that's how the mechanism running in that plastic rail. Now we're gonna do the second one exactly the same. There is a bit of grease in the corners, so that's for the doors, I guess, to run smoothly in that plastic rail. So just push it in there in the corner so it greased up a little bit that bracket. Exactly the same here. Push it in and lock it by pushing it to the inner side. Slide the doors in. Once you're in the corner where is the grease, push that bracket in on both and then lock them in towards the inner side. One side done, another side done. Now we can close it here as well. So we have two doors ready. And we're gonna do the third one exactly the same. Push it in till the first bracket's in the corner. Where is the grease or Vaseline, whatever they put it there. Slide it in, lock it. Other side exactly the same. Slide it in and lock it. Push the doors in, second bracket, slide it in and lock it to the inner side. Those brackets, they're gonna click once you locked, so go till they click. See here, I need to push it a bit harder. It clicks. Now we have those wooden plugs and they're gonna go on the top here. Secure them with a hammer. Now we have the bottom panel. One side is colored, one side is plain, and we place it with the colored side in. Find the right holes, tap it all in together on the side, on the middle. Once you're in completely, you're gonna need those screws. 2 on each side and 1 on each middle dividing panels. Allen keys, you're gonna find it in a box. You wanna work hard. If not, you're probably gonna have the electric screwdriver. If not, you can order it. I have the links in the description if you like to see what I'm using. So we secure all those screws completely in. Now we're gonna build the legs. 2 side panels, 2 slim panels, small holes on one side, bigger hole on the other side. So this is gonna be the outer side. And we're gonna connect them with the side panels. Exactly the same connection. Open, bigger opening in the hole, slide it in and push it down. 2 slim panels, second slim panel, bigger hole on the top, smaller hole at the bottom. Slide it in. Once you're completely in, push it down to lock the panels together. Exactly the same for those. Now we're gonna have to find all 4 holes at the same time, so get into the bigger openings in all 4 holes. Once you're in, you can slide it down and lock the panels in place together. Now we're gonna need 2 wooden plugs, 1 on each side. Put it down, find the holes in the bottom panel, put it in. We're gonna need those screws now, and they're gonna come into those bigger holes in this frame. That's gonna secure the legs with the main frame. 6 screws and secure them in. You're gonna have these adjustable legs, which is a useful thing. In case you have uneven floor, you can adjust the height of the unit on one side, on the other side. So just secure them in. I have it this way, so I left a few millimeters up, and I'm gonna do exactly the same for all 4 of them, so they're gonna line up nicely. And then if you need to adjust one or the other, if you have uneven floor, just tweak them left or right. Put the unit up, and we're gonna have those 3 covers for the cable management. That's how they're opening, or you can just open them completely if you have a lot of wires, and place it into the holes in the inner sides. and cover with the covers. So if you're not gonna use them, just close them or open them if you're gonna put the wires through there. Exactly the same on the middle, and another one on the other side. Now we have these washers. In case you want to attach the unit on the wall, it's going to go through this panel. You need to drill it, put the screw through the washer, and then secure it to the wall, of course, with the correct wall plugs. We're not going to do that in this case. And this is going to be plugs for the shelves. Just place them in, 4 in each of the opening spaces here. You see the round part is on the top. That's how it's supposed to be. Another 4 here. So we're going to have 3 shelves in total. One side at the back is plain, one side is colored. The colored side is at the front, and the side with the holes coming into those metal plugs for the shelves. Slide them into the holes, exactly the same for the second one and for the third one. Now we're gonna have these pop-up mechanisms. It's 2-part. The first part, the smaller part, this is the front, and it's gonna be the front of the unit. You need those small screws to secure it. 2 of them, so don't put it the other way around. Look which side is at the front of this plastic, which side is at the back. Now we have the second part, so just clip it at the front first and just clip it at the back as well after. You can adjust it, this pop-up, if the door's not gonna open. I'm gonna explain that in a moment. Secure other 2 as well, as we're gonna have 3 pop-up mechanisms. There is no door handles, so that's how you're gonna open the doors. And exactly the same third one, the screw coming in, and secure it here at the bottom. Don't mistake the fronts and back on this plastic, otherwise not gonna be able to put the second part of the pop-up mechanism in. Now you see I'm gonna close the door as they're supposed to be, and it should just pop out nicely. If not, you can unscrew the pop-up mechanism slightly. So just open the doors and screw it slightly till you're gonna be able to just click it and comfortably open the door. Just like that, they stay open. You click one more time and they open. Good. I'm gonna adjust the other 2 as well. I think we're gonna have the same problem, yes. So just open it up and unscrew it a little bit, as much you need. Close it, if it stays in place, good. If not, open it a little bit more. This one exactly the same. And that's how you assemble IKEA Stockholm TV bench. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. If yes, thumbs up, subscribe to my channel as always. You will make my day. And see you in my next one very, very soon. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day.